Suppose we have an equation 3 times x plus 20 is equal to 80. And if you have to solve this equation, that is, you have to find the value of x, that will be using transposition method. 3 times x is equal to 80 minus 20, and this will give you 3 times x is equal to 60. Now again applying transposition method on 3 times x, this will become x is equal to 60 over 3, and this will give you x is equal to 20. Now this x equals to 20 is actually the solution for this equation, because if you put x as 20 equal to 20, then this will be 3 times 20 plus 20, and how much you'll get? You'll get 80. That is, this 80 and this is 80 is equal. That's why this is a solution of this equation. Now for a given equation, this is a linear equation. Okay, why I am saying a linear equation? Because when you'll move higher standard, then you will learn more about equations. There you will learn about, of quadratic equation and all. But we will just focus on linear equation for us grade or standard. So for a linear equation, you will have only one solution, that is x is equal to 20. Now for a equation, you have only one solution, but from this solution you can make n number of equations, and let me show you how. So if this is x equal to 20, right, if I add 20 to both the sides, so x plus 20, and in order to maintain the equality, you'll do 20 plus 20. Now this equation has become x plus 20 is equal to 40, right? So this is another equation for this solution. Remember, from this equation you found this solution. That is, for a given equation you can have only only one solution. But from this solution, I can make many equations. So this x is equal to 20 becomes x plus 20 is equal to 4. Let's do, so if this was one equation, let me form another one. So again we have x is equal to 20. If you multiply both the sides by 3, so 3x is equal to 20 times 3. This will become 3x is equal to 60. And why we multiplied both the sides by 3? In order to maintain this equality, right? So 3x is equal to 60. Now if we divide both the sides by, let's say, by 4, so this will be 3 times x divided by 4 will be equal to 60 divided by 4, and you will get 3 times x over 4 is equal to 50. This is another equation, right? Now you can see that this equation and this equation, both these two equations are different, and both these two equations are actually different from this equation that we previously had, from where we got this solution. I can make one more equation from this given solution, that is x is equal to 20. Now what you have to do is take anything, like subtract 10 to both the sides. So this will become x minus 10 and 20 minus 10. Now multiply. So if you solve this, you'll get x minus 10 equal to 10. Now multiply both the sides by 4. Both the sides by 4. So this will be 4 times x minus 10 equal to 10 times 4, and this will be 4 times x minus 10 is equal to 40. This is another equation. So the point is that from a given linear equation you can get only and only one solution. From this given solution you can make as many equations as you want. So here we have formed 3 equations. You can form more equations. Okay, so That was the point, that from a given solution you can form as many equations as you want.